Okay, Star Wars fans, this is the ultimate Lego building kit you'll want to get to add to you or your child's collection. This is the Star Wars Millennium Falcon 75257 building set Starship model containing 1,351 pieces and includes 7 character figurines representing Finn, Chewbacca, Lando, Calrissian, Bulio, CP3O, R2D2, and DO. It comes with a very detailed and rather thick instruction manual that steps you through the process of building this starship. This is what it looks like once completely built. It has a rotating top and bottom turrets. The bottom one fits 2 of the mini figurines. It also has 2 spring-loaded shooters, a lowering ramp, and a cockpit that opens up. As you open the top panels, the inside of the Starship has a cargo area with 2 containers. There's a navigation computer with a rotating chair. There is also hidden compartment and a hyperdrive. These features of the inside of the ship are perfect for role-playing and coming up with scenes from Star Wars. In fact, there is so much detail and fun features of this Star Wars model that you'll need to put one together to discover them all. The kids can actually play out scenes from Star Wars and really tap into their imagination. Once fully built and assembled, this starship stands 5 inches high, 17 inches long, and 12 inches wide. It's perfect to put on display for your friends and family, that is, of course, when you're not playing with it. If you're looking for a gift for someone who is a Star Wars fan or simply loves to play with Lego and build amazing models, this would make a great birthday gift or Christmas gift for the holidays. This will keep the kids and adults alike entertained for hours and hours. Here the boys are still playing with the Starship, testing out as many features as possible. I think the interior of the Starship is the most fun once you open it up. You can place the figurines inside and move them around from seat to seat or from section to section. Even the cockpit has a removable canopy so you can place 2 figurines to sit inside. Overall, the boys are not only proud of their accomplishment in building this model, but they also have so much fun replaying scenes from Star Wars.